Welcome to Harriet classes. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the dialogue writing, and in question number 5b there will be a dialogue writing for 5 marks, and they have means question number 5b has 3 divisions, means A, B, C, and A has 1 mark and B has 1 mark and C has 3 marks. And A has prepare a dialogue from jumbled sentence, means they will give uh, 4 sentences, means for 2 questions and 2 answers, and they will be in jumble order. And if we have make it a order, if we have make it a correct order, and we will get 1 marks. And B will be there, complete the dialogue, means 2 questions they will provide or 2 answers they will provide, and if we make it correct according to the given sentences, if we write correctly, it will carry 1 mark. And then C will be there. C write a dialogue on given theme, means write a dialogue of minimum 6 meaningful exchanges on importance of games, any subject they will give us. And if we make 6 meaningful exchanges from given topic or given theme, and it will carry 3 marks. Okay, and I will show you the guidelines of the dialogue writing and the marking scheme and the answers, sample of the answers, and you will understand thoroughly. Okay. Dialogue writing, question number 5b. A jumbled order or prepare a dialogue from jumbled sentence, it carry 1 mark, means they will provide 4 sentences, means 2 and 2 means 4 sentences they will provide us, and if we order properly, and it will carry 1 mark. And B complete the dialogue, means they will provide 2 sentences or 2 questions, and if we write correct answers or correct questions, means dialogue if we write correctly, and it will carry 1 mark. And these questions or answers are taken by the warming up of the chit chat activities. And C write a dialogue on given theme, means write a dialogue of minimum 6 meaningful exchanges on importance of games or any theme, any topic they will give us. On the basis, means they shall provide 1 subject. On the basis of the subject we should frame a dialogues, means how many dialogues, means 6 meaningful exchanges we should write, and if we write correctly, and it will carry 3 marks, 1 A, B 1 and C 3, means 5 marks will be there. And I will show you the direct answer. Question number 5b, prepare a dialogue from jumbled sentence, and here I have given my father is farmer. In which class are you studying? What is your father? I am studying in 9th class. So I have written here in jumble order, and I have written the answer here, and we should take 2 names, any names or persons. Vinay, in which class are you studying? Aditya, I am studying in 9th class. And again Vinay asked, what is your father? And Aditya will answer, my father is farmer. In this way we should, here they have given the sentences of questions and answers, we have written here in a proper order. They are in jumble order, and here they are in proper order, means these sentences are the A will take 1 mark. And I will show you B complete the dialogue and they will provide 1 question, and when did you got up? Means here I have written the answer, but there will, in the question there will be no answer. So you should write the proper answer for the proper question. I got up at 6 a.m. And Anil again asked the question, have you taken breakfast? And there will be no answer in the question, and you should write the proper answer. Yes, I have. So it will carry 1 mark. These are the, in general, mean the sample of the answers, sample of the sentences. And C, write a dialogue of minimum 6 meaningful exchanges on importance of health. So health, importance of health, they will provide any themes, any topics, and we should make ourselves 6 meaningful exchanges. I have written the answer. Okay, I will read. Ram, where are you going? Shyam, I am going to running. I am going for running. Ram, why are you practice running? Shyam, running is good exercise for health. Ram again asked, which activities are good for health? Shyam, if we take swimming in morning, it will be very useful to our health. Ram, why we make exercise? Shyam, if we do not follow any exercise, we will have illness very soon. In this, dear friends, I have explained about dialogue writing, and I have given the samples. Not the means not the correct answer from the goals question. These are the samples, and if you understood thoroughly the samples, and you will able to write the answers of the dialogue writing. Okay, so I hope you understood thoroughly. If you have any doubts, any comments, please comment on our video, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and it will help us if you subscribe, if you press the bell icon, and it will help us to upload our future videos. And if you like our videos, please share to your friends and tell to your friends to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.